Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. In this video, I am going to guide you step by step and how to make an Instagram story more beautiful, creative and eye-catching using just photographs. So you can check this video. If you love creating static story, then stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. I just used that one of the picture as in background. So the first step is selecting the right photograph. Always choose clear, high quality photo that highlights your personality or your moments. So just use that background pictures, collect some more pictures which you are liking. So take that one of the favorite picture as in background, collect more pictures as in side photographs you can mention, and I choose a one sticker which is transparent and glacier look, so it look like more real and connect better with your audience. Once you done with that, then adjust all the pictures at that corner. Once you choose your pictures, open all the editor mode and add simple white and pastel border to give the Polaroid effect. So what I did, I just select multiple pictures. I just used as a layout in the corner of the Instagram story and just organize. So what I did, once my pictures are adjusted, I choose that borders which makes your photo look neat and organized. So just you can see on this video, I am just using a magical pictures which is very good quality, and I try to make adjust in between that. Okay, so once you decor all the pictures, just use that the everything is adjusted and look magical. Once you done, you have an option to see, means it is exactly in a sequence of all the photographs. You added all the photographs in a sequence in a border way. You can use any transparent black strip as in stickers, or you can use anything as in your background which is enhance your pictures. So use whatever you like. So you can just go to the image, just a image. I'm not using anything else, just a image. I make that all the photo in the top of that and adjust all the photos and simply add all this in the Instagram. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to adjust all the pictures according to your thinking. Whatever you like, you can use a square picture, you can use a circle, you can use according to what you are liking with the picture shape. This will be complete with just few of the pictures, and I hope you guys understand with this Instagram story what I am sharing with you. Once it's done, you just go to the Instagram sticker which are the magic. Use flower, star and dotted sticker to decor your story. You can even add GIF for a fun touch. Don't overuse, just use 2 or 3 cute elements are enough to keep it classy. So once you're done with your square box, once you're done with your story, flowers and everything, just match with all this stuff is looking perfect or not. In this story, you can see that I use just simple square box to add the classy look. Do not need to adjust adding perfect place, just to add something which is look attractive. You can also use apps like Canva, Unfold or Storyart to create beautiful layout. But I am using just simple Instagram sticker which is already given by Instagram. Whatever you like, you can select according to your background and organize it. Always use clear and high quality pictures and sticker that highlight your personality your favorite moments. Natural live pictures with some golden stickers, white sticker or black sticker you can also use. So instead of, you can also use something interesting or posting pictures, they look more real and connect better with your audience. So I just use the square box which is look neat and clean. So I am just adjusting all the square box in the top of every pictures. I used a black and white square box which looks simple and beautiful. You can see that I adjusted all the picture one by one. It takes 1 more minute. So when you're creating a story, it will be take 5 to 6 minutes. Just think about your creativity and use some stickers, use some square box, GIF, everything you can use with neat and clean way. Once you're done with everything, your sticker and your picture will be ready. Now let's add some text if you want, and choose a simple font in a white color, or you can use a music, you can use a caption, song lyrics, whatever you like you can add. And even just a cute emoji is also very beautiful for your story. Remember, the font should be complement your photo, not hide it. So try to be just clear message to share with everyone. Once you're done with everything, just Instagram story become even more engaging with music. So go to the music option and select a track that matches your vibe, soft, trending and loopy music. What's great with static photos story? Before posting, check your story once again. Make sure it's balanced and not overloaded with stickers or text. Minimal is always more beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the like button and comment us what you like in this video. Thank you.